Welcome to our dishwasher comparison. Today, we're diving into the features and specifications of two standout portable dishwashers. The Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the EUHOMY portable dishwasher. Both of these appliances are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs. We'll look at their prices, wash cycles, and unique features to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA is priced at $399, while the EUHOMY portable dishwasher is more budget-friendly at $299. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your dishwashing needs. The Farberware offers 5 wash cycles, including options for baby care and glass washing. In contrast, the EUHOMY provides 8 wash cycles, adding features like self-cleaning and drying modes. This variety in wash cycles can greatly enhance your dishwashing experience, catering to different needs and preferences. While both dishwashers are portable and equipped with a built-in water tank, the EUHOMY stands out with additional features such as a self-cleaning function, child lock, and a drying mode. The Farberware, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and ease of use. Depending on your lifestyle, these features could be a deciding factor in your purchase. In conclusion, both the Farberware FDW05ASBWHA and the EUHOMY portable dishwasher offer unique advantages for portable dishwashing. The Farberware is a solid choice for those who prefer a straightforward approach, while the EUHOMY provides more features for a lower price. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.